We'll guide you through how to copy the transcript from a YouTube video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you need to go and find the video you want to do it with. You need to go and scroll beneath the video, click on the description to expand it, keep scrolling until you can see the option Show Transcript and click there. And you can go and scroll up and down. Go right to the start and click, hold and drag. Just highlight a little bit like I've done there. Then you want to go and hold over on the right bar and drag down to the bottom. And then you can go to the end. And what you need to do is hold shift and click, and I'll then highlight it. And I'll just go and get that last bit as well. So I'll just go and hold shift and click that last part right at the end. Then you can right click and press copy. Now it's got these timestamps. The best way to remove them is to use your AI tool. So I use Google Gemini, I'll search for it and come to the site. I'll type in, please remove the timestamps. And then I'll right click, press paste, and I'll go and press enter. Then you can copy the response at the bottom and that's it.